Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need only basic privileges and a terminal. Once you have them, start by targeting the system log file. Open a shell and run sudo less+f/var/log/syslog or sudo less+f/var/log/messages depending on your distro. This streams new entries while letting you search and scroll. You do this because less+f combines live follow with pager controls. Make sure to use sudo if the file is restricted. Once clear on the file path, you can move to focused filtering. Once you stop live follow with Control-C and less, use slash searches to find timestamps, error codes, or process names. This is efficient for pinpointing events. For systemd services, run sudo journoctl u service name since 1 hour ago to limit scope, which reduces noise. When you need structured extraction, pipe output to grep, awk, or sed. For example, grepn error C2 shows context. These steps let you focus on relevant entries, while preserving chronology and surrounding lines for diet. To finish, export the filtered output to a file for sharing or future review. For example, journoctl u service o shortizo since today excerpt. Log. This preserves ordering and timestamps. If logs appear truncated, examine /var/log for compressed rotated files like syslog. If you see nothing, make sure the journal is running and you have permissions. Run sudo systemctl status systemd journaled and check file owners. One key troubleshooting tip. If journoctl returns no logs, verify file, storage settings, and that logs aren't forwarded off host.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.